Benefits of vegetables. You get to enjoy a variety of flavors and textures, lots and lots of fiber. They are low calorie and low fat, protect against cancer and other diseases. Fruits and vegetables help you maintain good health, low in sodium and cholesterol. No matter where you look, the food we consume is getting further away from nature. Grocery store shelves are filled with processed foods and preservatives and additives that are hard to pronounce. Where when we are not buying food at the store, it's a cheeseburger and fries for dinner. When you think about the effect this type of diet can have on your health, it's troubling. It's of little wonder the rates of obesity, heart disease, diabetes, and other metabolic diseases have increased steadily over the last few years. To avoid being part of these statistics, you can start bringing your diet more in line with nature, and that means eating more fruits and vegetables. Here are the top 10 reasons that's a great idea. Fruit and vegetables are a great source of vitamins and minerals. You won't find a better nutritional source than fruits and veggies, which are packed with vitamins A, C, and E, as well as magnesium, zinc, phosphorus, and folic acid. For potassium, one of the most important minerals for your health, eat plenty of avocados, sweet potatoes, bananas, prawns, and even potato paste puree. You get to enjoy a variety of flavors and textures with with all their unique and interesting flavors, plant, peppers, or milder options such as mushrooms and corn. For sweet flavors, fruits like pineapple, grapes, or plums are great, while lemons and grapefruits are more so. Number 3. Lots and lots of fiber. Most fruits and vegetables have plenty of fiber to fill you up and boost gut health, but some have more than others. Fiber rich vegetables include green peas, broccoli, and cauliflower. Cauliflower high fiber fruits include pears, apples, and pumpkin. They are low calorie and low fat. Average fruits and especially vegetables are very low in calories and fat, which means you can eat more to keep you feeling full without worrying about extra calories or fat. You can save more than 200 calories by eating half a cup of grapes versus a fourth of a cup of M&Ms. That said, there are exceptions such as avocados, olives, and coconuts. 5. Protect against cancer and other diseases. Many vegetables and fruits contain which are biologically active substances that can help protect against some diseases. That means you can lower your risk of type 2 diabetes, stroke, heart diseases, high blood pressure, and cancer by adding them into your diet. Specifically, veggies such as broccoli, cabbage, collards, and watercress have been linked to reducing cancer risks. Number 6. Fruits and vegetables help you maintain good health because they are low in fat, salt, and sugar. Fruits and vegetables are part of a well balanced diet that can help you lose weight or prevent weight gain. Plus, they can help you decrease inflammation and lower cholesterol levels and blood pressure. Low in sodium and cholesterol. Fresh fruits and veggies contain only trace amounts of sodium. Many people think that calorie is high in sodium, but in fact, some stock contains a merry 3 mg, 30 mg, which contributes 1% to the recommended daily value. Cholesterol does not exist in fruits and veggies at all. Fresh, frozen, canned, dried, they are all nutritions. While eating fresh fruits and vegetables may be your preference, there's not much difference from a nutrition standpoint when you compare frozen, canned, or dehydrated products. In fact, most frozen and canned products are processed within hours of harvest, so the nutritional value is locked in quickly. Convenient, quick, and easy. Unlike granola bars or crackers, many fruits and vegetables don't need any packaging, so you can easily grab a banana or an apple as you are heading out the door. Finally, smoothies. If you have a blender, all you need is fruit and ice to whip up a delicious smoothie using all of your favorite flavors. And here's tip: when you make a when you make a fruit smoothie, feel free to throw in as such fresh spinach as you like. Spinach does not start to taste like spinach until you cook it. Even kids can't tell the difference. Enjoying fruits and vegetables is a great way to improve your health and actually enjoy what you eat. While it may take a little creativity, effort, and an open mind to try new things, switching to a diet with more fruits and veggies is definitely worth it.